Thambou Lotus stem, a powerful traditional food for metabolic and cardiovascular health. Introduction. Good morning, friends. Today, we are going to speak about something very close to our local tradition here in Manipur, Thambou, the lotus stem. Many people eat it as a vegetable. Some enjoy it in curries, some fry it, some even consume it raw. But very few understand its powerful metabolic and cardiovascular benefits. In a time when modern chronic diseases are rising, diabetes, fatty liver, hypertension, obesity, sometimes the solutions are already present in our traditional foods. Thambou is not just a vegetable, it is a functional food. Today we will explore its nutritional value, its metabolic benefits, scientific mechanisms, who should benefit most, who should be cautious, how to clean and prepare it safely, whether boiling reduces nutrients, and how to use it properly. Let us begin. Sokutku dakukaum. What is Thambou? Thambou is the edible rhizome of the lotus plant. It grows underwater in muddy ponds and lakes. That means it is nutrient-rich but also potentially exposed to contaminants. So proper cleaning and preparation are very important. Nutritional profile, approximate per 100 g. Calories, 70 kcal. Fiber, 405 grams. Carbohydrates, complex, low glycemic load. Vitamin C, moderate. Potassium, high. Magnesium, moderate. Iron, present. Polyphenols and flavonoids, low fat. No cholesterol, naturally gluten-free. This profile makes it excellent for metabolic health. Metabolic benefits. 1. Supports insulin sensitivity because of its fiber, slows glucose absorption, reduces post-meal glucose spikes, improves satiety, lower glucose spikes, lower insulin demand. This protects pancreatic function long-term. 2. Weight management. High fiber plus low calorie density means better fullness, reduced overeating, improved metabolic control, ideal for prediabetes and obesity. Cardiovascular protection. Rich in potassium, helps regulate blood pressure, balances sodium, supports vascular function. Polyphenols reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels. This is critical in preventing heart disease and stroke. Gut microbiome support. Its fiber acts as a prebiotic. Healthy gut bacteria. Reduce inflammation. Improve insulin signaling. Improve immune regulation. Gut health and metabolic health are deeply connected. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Lotus stem contains vitamin C, tannins, flavonoids. These reduce inflammatory signaling pathways that drive chronic disease. Who benefits most? Thambou is especially useful for prediabetes, mild insulin resistance, hypertension, obesity, fatty liver, constipation, sedentary individuals. It is an excellent addition to metabolic diet protocols. Who should be cautious? Chronic kidney disease due to potassium content. Severe IBS, high fiber may initially cause bloating. Those with contaminated water source concerns. If water quality of the pond is questionable, extra cleaning is essential. How to clean lotus stem safely. Because it grows in muddy water, proper cleaning is critical. Step by step. 1. Peel outer skin completely. 2. Slice into thin rounds to expose internal holes. 3. Wash thoroughly under running water. 4. Soak in clean water with a little salt and turmeric for 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Rinse again. If eating raw, soak in clean drinking water with a few drops of vinegar or lemon juice for additional microbial reduction. Avoid raw consumption if hygiene is uncertain. Can it be eaten raw? Yes, but only if properly cleaned. From clean water source, washed thoroughly. consumed fresh raw form preserves. Vitamin C, heat-sensitive antioxidants, but risk of contamination must be considered. Does boiling reduce nutrition? Some vitamin C is lost during boiling. However, fiber remains intact. Minerals remain. Most polyphenols remain. Metabolic benefits remain. Light steaming is preferable to prolonged boiling. Deep frying reduces its metabolic advantage significantly. Best ways to prepare: lightly steamed, stir-fried in minimal oil, cooked with turmeric and black pepper, added to soups, combined with other fiber-rich vegetables. Avoid deep frying frequently. Integrative metabolic use. For metabolic benefit, include 2 to 3 times per week in meals. Pair with protein source, healthy fats, leafy vegetables. This creates a low glycemic, anti-inflammatory meal. Conclusion. Thambou is a beautiful example of how traditional foods support modern metabolic health. It supports insulin sensitivity, blood pressure control, gut health, weight management, inflammation reduction, but like all natural foods, it must be cleaned properly, prepared wisely, consumed consistently. Prevention does not always require expensive supplements. Sometimes, wisdom is already growing in our lakes. Let us respect traditional foods. Let us apply modern science to understand them. And let us prevent chronic disease before it becomes advanced and costly. Thank you for listening. Stay healthy. Stay rooted in wisdom. Founder, Holistic Wellness Foundation, IMFAL, Healing Beyond Boundaries.